Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Sling TV on your LG Smart TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just subscribed to Sling and you want to start watching it on your LG Smart TV. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says apps here on the left-hand side. And this is going to take you to the App Store page. So on this page here, you could basically search for a variety of different apps. So what we'll do is that on the upper right-hand corner, you want to navigate to the magnifying glass. And so with the magnifying glass, you want to type in Sling TV. So we're going to go type in Sling TV. And as you type, you should see that word start to auto-populate underneath the search bar. So you could actually scroll down and click on Sling. And so right here, you can see that Sling TV is underneath apps and games. So click on Sling TV. And so for this example, as you can see, I already have Sling TV installed, so it actually opened up the app. But in your case, you would actually go ahead and install Sling TV. And once you install Sling TV should now be here in the app bar. And just as an additional tip, if you want to go ahead and move Sling TV closer to the default page of this home screen that you see here, you could actually highlight Sling, press and hold the center button here, and then move Sling all the way to the left so that it's closer to the default page setting. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and install Sling TV on your LG Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.